Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix ticket issues on SpotHero. So if you've received a parking ticket after booking through SpotHero, or you're having problems with the reservation, let's just follow along. First, open the SpotHero app and sign into your account. Next, go to My Reservation and open the parking reservation related to the ticket. Review your reservation details, including the parking location, date, entry time, exit time, and the vehicle information you entered. And if you accidentally parked in the wrong lot, entered the wrong license plate, or stayed longer than your reservation allowed, these could be the reason you received a ticket. And if everything on your reservation is correct, take clear photos of the parking ticket, your reservation confirmation, and any signs at the parking location. Then open the help or support section in the SpotHero app and contact customer support. Provide your reservation number, photos, and a description of what happened. Then SpotHero will review your case and let you know if they can assist based on the parking operator's policies. So that was how to fix ticket issues on SpotHero. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.